Dear student, today we will start atomic structure. As I hope you will be read about matter in high school. Substance having mass occupy volume and that may be experienced or felt by eye or ear or by skin called matter. Smallest part of matter is substance. Smallest part of matter which is taken for the examination test called substance. Smallest part of substance is molecule, and molecules are composed by atom. Up to Dalton, it is considered that atom is smallest particle of the matter. It is indivisible and may be not divided. Later on, after discovery of electron, proton and neutron, it is assumed that atom is not individual, it may be divided. Later on Dalton, atom is divided into three parts, that is electron, proton and neutron. After this, scientists are tried to divide it. They were curious to divide the electron, proton and neutron. After this, quark theory is arised. It has been assumed before 20th century that electron, proton, neutrons are composed by quark. Two up quark and one down quark built up proton. Two down quark and one up quark built up electron, and one up quark and one down quark set up the neutron. For long time it has been assumed that smallest part of the matter is quark up to now. Few years ago, experiment is done in a tunnel in Switzerland, in which scientists obtained a new particle Xc. II plus. This is also known as God particle. In present, God particle, that is Xc plus, is regarded as smallest particle of the matter, smallest thing of the matter. But it is under research. Broad properties of Xc plus, that is of the God particle, is under research now. Now come back at our course. The atomic structure in 11th is started from discovery of electron, proton and neutron. So we will start our chapter atomic structure from here. Discovery of electron, proton and neutron. These two are for general knowledge, and you may read about this in higher classes if you remain belong to the science. First topic of atomic structure, discovery of electron or cathode ray. Cathode ray. Discovery of electron. When high potential is applied in a discharge tube at very low pressure, beam of ray, group of ray are arised from cathode and travel toward anode. For this minimum pressure 10 power minus 2 millimeter mm of Hg. Hydrostatic pressure P is equal to Hdg, and high voltage 10 power 5 volt, 1 lakh volt. So when high voltage 10 power 5 volt is applied between cathode and anode in a discharge tube at very low pressure, that is 10 power minus 2 millimeter of Hg, beam of ray are arised from cathode and travel toward anode. Since anode has positive charge and any species that is attracted, that moves towards anode, must possess opposite charge, that is negative charge. So since rays arise from cathode travel towards anode, it means these rays must have negative charge. The first of all, Einstein, name of scientist Einstein, named it electron. Word electron is related with the Greek word which means minus, negative. The being negative nature, first of all scientist Einstein name this ray, name this particle as the electron. Specific charge is studied by Millikan, and its broad behavior is studied by J.J. Thomson. Hence, J.J. Thomson is known as father of electron. Now, some character of cathode ray. So, why electron is known as cathode ray? So it is due to the fact that ray arrived from the cathode. Now, character of cathode ray are electron. It ionizes two gases when passes in it. Second, it is deflected deflection means bent or diversion of direction. When it is part in electric field or magnetic field and electric field both exert forces on the moving charge in field. So due to application of electric force or magnetic force, moving charge body does not travel in a straight line in the field. It deviates from its path. The deviation of traveling particle, deviation of moving charge from its straight line is known as deflection. So it is deflected means it does not travel in straight line. It is deflected in electric and magnetic field. However, when it set up rotation in light means minimum mass, low mass, light flywheel present in its path. Fourth, its mass is equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Fifth, its charge is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Next topic, discovery of proton or canal ray. Discovery of proton or canal ray. Process is same like beginning. When high voltage is applied across anode and perforated cathode. Perforated means having the pores are very fine hole. In this case, cathode is taken with pores, fine holes. So when high voltage is applied between anode and perforated cathode in discharge tube at very low pressure, Group of ray, that is beam of ray, are arised and travel opposite to the anode. These rays are named as canal ray or proton. So here rays are arised, but it does not travel towards anode, but opposite to anode. It is due to the repulsion of anode. It means ray must have positive nature. If ray have negative nature, that will be attracted by anode. Means ray will travel towards anode. And if ray have positive charge, it means it will be repelled by anode. Hence, it will travel opposite to the anode. Pressure 10 power minus 2 mm Hg and voltage 10 power 5 1 lakh volt. The first of all, Goldstein named this ray as proton. Proton means positive in Greek word, in Greek language. The first of all, Goldstein named it proton. Its specific charge, that is ratio of charge and mass. Charge upon mass is known as specific charge. Its specific charge is studied by Millikan. Millikan is scientist and broad study about the character is done by Rutherford. Hence, Rutherford is known as father of proton. Now, character of proton. It ionizes two gases when passing through it. It is deflected in electric and magnetic field. Its mass equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Its charge equal to plus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Next topic, neutron. Neutron is discovered by James Chadwick. It is discovered in 1932. James Chadwick is English scientist. Discovery of neutron. When alpha particle is bombarded at the nucleus of beryllium. A new particle is obtained that does not deflected in electric and magnetic field. Means this new particle travels in straight line in electric and magnetic field. It is why because it has no charge. The being neutral, having no charge, being neutral, it is known as neutron. Beryllium, atomic number 4, mass number 9. Alpha particle 2Hi4. 6C12 plus 0 N1 neutron.